Hi,
Hi.
we're vlogging.
We're tired.
No, we're not.
I know.
We're vlogging from the VIP
VIP
room
room.
at the Quarter Horse Congress.
Congress. And it's day 5 still.
Here's the food that we had, and there's
The nachos are great. There's the bar. We'll show you all around the Quarter Horse Congress.
and here's us.
We just got finished watching JJ, and he was 4th in the maturity, and I won a little bit of money, so that's what it's all about. That
Yeah,
fun.
she won some money, but then
I bought the new
she
food.
spent it on boots.
Yeah, I did. I kind of.
So basically,
Ruined my
she spent
wallet.
the money, and she hoped that the horse would win.
So now we're going to go back and put him to bed again. That whole routine where you got to wrap them, take the braids out.
I thought they were
You
cornrows.
would think the cornrows. You got to take the cornrows out. You would think that I pay the big bucks and somebody would do that for me, but you know what? I don't think it's going to happen because I've been working hard all day.
Yeah.
So
Anyway, it's the end of day 5.
Jason won the green Western riding. He's happy now because he hadn't won anything yet.
And I arranged for his green trail horse for next year.
Oh,
I
who's
brokered that deal, the same one that he won the green Western riding on. So I helped him out. He's got his
with Rumble?
yeah, he's going to do green trail with Rumble next year.
Oh, I love Rumble.
Yeah,
I love Rumble's owner.
I know.
She's very sweet, Sarah.
they're nice.
She's really sweet.
It's a nice horse.
Yeah, it's a very nice horse.
Anyway,
he's
so
old
he-
though for a green horse. What
He's
is he, 12 or
13
something?
for God's
13?
sakes.
I mean,
That's what Jason rides, is old green horses. Anyway, so maybe we're
he'll
gonna-
like that one really
So is-
well.
So maybe this needs to be edited
And
before.
Beth isn't. No, it's okay. Beth isn't very happy.
Oh,
She
let's
hasn't
not talk
won
about that.
Yeah, but she's not very happy.
She won one card tonight,
Yeah.
and then it went
I saw
downhill
that.
from there.
Yeah,
So anyway,
yeah.
we probably need to wrap it up because I think this is getting long. But we're signing off. Day 5, AQHA Congress. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.